It's potato time on German recipes. I'm going to show you two different ways how to make a potato salad. And first of all, in the next episode, I show you how it's done in northern Germany. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen here in Munich, Germany. Today I'm preparing a potato salad and I will do it in that way the northern Germans do it. They have it with fish very often. And it's a combination of potatoes and mayonnaise, which we will prepare ourselves. There are many options how you can vary the potato salad. I had a look on the most popular German platform where people can post their recipes, and I had a look for potato salad, and they have 1,400 different recipes for potato salad there. What do we need? We need potatoes, of course. We need dill, an egg yolk, shallots, yogurt, vinegar, oil, gherkins and mustard. That's all we need. And of course we have to cook the potatoes first. I have done that before. You can do it in your pot at home, or if you have a steamer like me, you steam them. All right. As you can see, I have peeled a couple of them already and I have to peel the rest. For potato salad, it's very important that you peel the skin off after cooking, because it really tastes different then. Okay, I think that is enough for today. I will leave the rest for a potato salad South German way. But I go on with the Northern German way now. That is, I have to slice these ones and put them in a bowl. That way. So I cut it in half and I make relatively thick slices from the potatoes. The best is to work with the potatoes when they are still warm, because you want to take them all the aromas, and they do that better when they are warm. Okay, for the mayonnaise we need an egg yolk. It's quite important that the egg is not coming directly out of the fridge. It has to have room temperature, because preparing a mayonnaise is not that simple. Okay, 1 tablespoon of mustard. And some oil, not all oil at once, just a little. And we start mixing this with this cutting stick. By adding the oil little by little, we get a perfect emulsion. And a mayonnaise is an emulsion. I think the word is right, isn't it? Yeah, cool. Well done, Klaus. Okay, I take my mayonnaise. I just need 100 grams for this recipe. And then I add yogurt. Perfect. And some vinegar. The yogurt is, if you just had mayonnaise, it would be way too heavy, and this lightens it all up a little. It still is a sort of a heavy sauce, but it's a bit lighter with the yogurt inside. Okay, let's put some vinegar into it. Should be enough. And salt and pepper, of course. You have to season it generously because it goes into all these potatoes, and as you know, potatoes eat the aromas, you know. You really have to put a lot of salt on potatoes till you really feel it. Okay. This looks nice with the black pepper. It's creamy, nice, saucy. Yeah, that's good. When you're having a barbecue in the summertime, you will always serve a potato salad with it. Definitely. It's nice. It's soft and creamy, and it's a little sour, salty, and this will be perfect over the potatoes. But we cannot put it over it now, because first of all we have to care about the dill and the shallots. I will cut this into tiny little pieces because we don't want to have an onion bite, we just want to have the aroma inside. And now comes the dill. Now we mix it all together with the sauce. See? That's gonna be great. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Here we go. This is the northern German way of having a potato salad, and you can eat it with almost anything. With sausage, with meatballs, or with fish. If you like my channel, please subscribe and tell your friends about it. Share the links, okay? Enjoy your meal.